Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can use 500 plus AI model using Comet API. So you can use AI model like Claude, Gemini, GPT, Quen and DeepSeek and a lot of model using this API. So first of all you need to come to this link CometAPI.com. After that here you can see start free option. So you need to click on start free and we are going to log in with Google. So we'll give our email address, then click here continue. And there you can see welcome to Comet API. So let's say here personal. So we just need to give some answer. And there you go. We are right now in the dashboard. So here once you log in for the first time, here you can see if you successfully connect the API, you will get $1. Then if you follow the social media, you will get one more dollar. Okay, so right now let me close this and here you can see dashboard. So we are going to click on dashboard and here you can see we have $0 currently. So first of all what you need to do is that we need to create a API key. So I'm going to click here API keys and create API key. So here let's give it a name. Let's say the name will be my AI API. Then click here create and the API key will be created. So here you can easily copy it from here. So after you create the API key, you can go to your Visual Studio Code and here what you are going to do is that we'll go to the extension section. Then we're going to search over here kilo code. So here you can see kilo code. So let me just install this. There you can see installation is done. So when the installation is done, here you can see at the top we have the kilo code icon here. So I'm going to click on this and right now we can close those and here you can see kilo code. So what you need to do is that here you can see settings. So you need to click on setting. Then here you can see providers. So you need to click on providers. And here you can see a lot of providers. So here we're going to add a custom provider. So here you can see custom provider. So we're going to click here connect and here we need to give our provider name. So let's say the name will be Comet API and the display name will be same Comet API. And here you can see base URL and API key. So we can get the API key from here. So I just need to copy this, go back to Visual Studio Code and I'm going to paste it over here. And what will be the base URL? The base URL you can find it over here. So here you can see API Comet API.com. So let me just go to the documentation. Here you can see documentation. Click on documentation and here we need to look for quick start. Here you can see quick start. Click on this. After that we'll go down. So over here you can see https api.cometapi.com/version on. So we'll copy this, then go back to our Visual Studio Code and we'll paste the base URL over here. Then we'll go down and we'll just directly click here submit. But before that you can uncheck some model if you want from here, but we'll keep all the model and click here submit. So before we click submit, here we also need to give the model ID and name. So what will be the model ID? It will be which AI model you want to use. So let me just go back and here you can see playground. So we are going to click on playground and here you can see we have the model over here. There you can see, so you can choose any model you want. So let's use GPT 4.0. So let me just copy this from here, Control C, and I'll go back and paste the model ID here and the model name will be, let's say, the same thing. So let's go down and click here submit. There you can see saving and there you can see Comet API connected. So we can close this. Let me just close this as well and here you can see kilo code. So right now here we're going to click on this model and here we can see search model. So here we're going to search for Comet API and there you can see it is showing us this model. So I'm going to click on this and there you can see this model is selected. So if I just say over here hi and press enter and there you can see we got a reply. So right now let's go and let's build a website using the AI model of Comet API. So I'm going to click on file, then click here open folder. So let me just create a folder over here. The folder name will be cat blog website. Let's just build a simple blog website for cat. I'll select this, then click here select folder and it will open the folder over here. And right now let me just open the kilo code again, and here you can see it already selected Comet API GPT 4.0. So here let's go and give a prompt that I want to make a funny blog website for cats using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I'm going to click here. So right now the AI model from Comet API will read the prompt, and based on our prompt it will generate a website for us. So it will take some time. Right now I'll just fast forward the video until the website is complete, and there you can see it's already done, and it only took a few seconds to build those 3 files and some code. So let me just open it in the browser. So this is the website, cat blog website. Let's open the index.html. So if I just click anywhere, it just pop up a message. Okay, so let me just try to switch the models. So for it, what we need to do is that we need to go to the setting, and then we'll go to Comet API. So I'm going to click here, edit, and let me just get the Claude code ID. So in order to get the Claude code ID, you can just find it over here. Let's say we'll use this on Claude Opus 4.8. So I'll just copy this. So what I'm going to do is that I'll just click here, add one more model. I'll just keep the model ID and then the name, then click here submit. So you can add multiple model over here inside Comet API. Okay, so let me just go back, and let me just click here. There you can see right now we have 2 model showing over here. So let's click on this model, Claude Opus. So right now what we are going to do is that we are going to tell Claude Code to input the website. So we are going to tell to Claude Code that I want to make a complete funny cat block website, so improve the website. So Claude Code is known for its coding ability. So right now if I just click here, so it will right now improve our website. So here you can see our website creation is complete. So it took around 8 minutes. So let me just refresh my browser, and there you can see this time it created a really awesome website, and this is quite funny. I think they had some funny article over here. So it also added some images for cats, some emoji, everything else, and everything is working. There is a dark theme as well. As you can see that we are able to switch between multiple models. So all you need to do is that you can just add multiple model to Comet API. You can add Gemini, Quen, DeepSeek, Codex, a lot of AI tool in on platform, and you can just switch between them. So all you need to do is that you need to just pay for Comet API subscription, and you will have access to all other 500 plus AI models. So you would have to spend a lot less money. You can just get everything in on platform, so you need to pay a lot less, and you can also have access to mid journey log as well. Here you can see you have mid journey log, so you can check this out by yourself. So I would definitely recommend Comet API, since you don't have to pay separately for each AI tool. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.